In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create a test or quiz. Whether you're a teacher, a trainer, or just someone looking to create a simple digital quiz, Google Forms is a fantastic tool that's both easy to use and incredibly effective. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. This is where we'll begin crafting our form. Once you're there, you'll see a button labeled New on the upper left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up a drop-down menu with a variety of options, but we're interested in Google Forms. Scroll down until you find it and select Google Forms to expand it. Within that expanded view, you'll see an option labeled Blank Quiz. Click on this to start building your quiz from scratch. Now that you have your blank quiz open, you'll want to give it a name. Naming your quiz will not only help you stay organized, but it also allows those taking your quiz to understand its purpose at a glance. So, simply click on the title at the top and type in a descriptive name for your quiz. With the basics out of the way, let's tweak some settings to make sure everything goes smoothly. Click on this Settings tab found at the top of your form. Here you'll see various options, but for our purposes, we want to toggle on Make this a quiz. This crucial step enables the quiz-specific functionalities of Google Forms, allowing you to assign points and indicate correct answers. Our next step is to click on Questions to head back to the main editing area of your form. Now it's time to add your questions. To do this, click on the Add Question button. This may appear as a plus icon. Once you've done this, you'll have the option to choose how respondents should answer. Google Forms offers a range of answer types including multiple choice, short answer, and even checkboxes. Choose the option that best fits the nature of each question you plan to ask. Go ahead and fill out both the questions and their potential answers. Be as clear as possible to minimize confusion for those taking your quiz. Once your questions are in place, click on Answer key found at the bottom of each question. This essential step allows you to specify correct answers and assign points accordingly, ensuring that your quiz can be automatically graded. With the heavy lifting done, you might want to spend a moment customizing your quiz to reflect its theme. Google Forms offers various options for personalization to make your quiz as engaging as possible. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and operates, it's time to publish your quiz. Click on Publish to make your quiz live, and once it's published, you can easily share it using the share link provided. And there you have it, you've created a functional, professionally presented quiz using Google Forms. With just a few clicks, you've tapped into a powerful tool that simplifies the process of test making and student assessment. Thanks for tuning in, and happy quizzing.